Although Hurricane Gilma is still moving slowly across the waters of the East Pacific, dangerous weather is not forecast to reach Hawaii until the end of the month. As to the public advisory issued by the National Hurricane Center, the storm is expected to persist as a major hurricane on Friday, when wind speeds were constant at 120 miles per hour on Thursday. The center declared that it had attained Category 3 status. There are currently no watches or warnings for the coast. The NHC's public alert states that tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 115 miles and hurricane force winds extend outward up to 35 miles from the center. At this moment, Hurricane Gilma is located over 1,000 miles east of Hilo, Hawaii, and over 1,000 miles west-southwest of the southernmost point of the Baja California peninsula in Mexico. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration stated on X that Hurricane Gilma was churning between two other unnamed Pacific storms, one close to Hawaii and another to the southeast on Thursday afternoon. This could result in a tropical storm watch for parts of the main Hawaiian Islands as early as Thursday night or Friday. Hawaii is at risk of fire from Tropical Storm Hone. Authorities are worried about a tropical depression that developed into Tropical Storm Hone on Thursday, which is located approximately 1,090 miles east of Honolulu and with maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour. Before crossing the islands by the end of this weekend or the beginning of next week, Hone is predicted to continue strengthening as it gets closer to Hawaii. Interests in Hawaii should closely monitor this disturbance, though it remains too early to determine the exact location and magnitude of potential impacts, the Hurricane Center stated. A year after wildfires on Maui destroyed the town of Lahaina and claimed 102 lives, Hawaiians are watching the first-named storm of the 2024 Central Pacific hurricane season. One of the main causes of the fire, which turned into the worst wildfire in U.S. history in more than a century, was a distant hurricane. Hurricane season is extremely active, according to NOAA. According to NOAA's website, this year has proven to be a very active hurricane season, as atmospheric and oceanic factors have created the ideal conditions for it to be the busiest on record. Last weekend, Hurricane Ernesto made landfall in Bermuda, bringing dangerous rip currents and waves to the East Coast coasts. Furthermore, Hurricane Beryl struck many Caribbean islands last month, resulting in catastrophic damage and the deaths of 20 people. According to NOAA, when it made landfall in the United States and traveled through Texas, Louisiana, and Vermont, a preliminary death toll of 25 was reported. There's a chance that 8 to 13 of the 17 to 24 named storms in the Atlantic could develop into hurricanes, and 4 to 7 of them could become major hurricanes with winds of above 111 miles per hour. Typically, about 14 storms receive names. Hurricane season runs from June 1 through November 30. Of those, 7 develop into hurricanes and 3 into major hurricanes.